Earth isn't just our home, it's a predator in disguise. Beneath the stunning vistas that draw millions lie silent killers, scalding waters that erase you in minutes, forests where you're the prey, and voids that swallow souls whole. Today we're counting down the 10 deadliest natural wonders, places so breathtaking they've lured adventurers to their doom. From volcanic fury to frozen tombs, these spots remind us nature doesn't forgive. Stick around for number 1, the enigma that's claimed more lives than any other, without a single warning. Let's dive in carefully. Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Number 10. The Danakil Depression, Ethiopia. Geologists' hellish playground. This Afar triangle scorches at over 122 degrees year-round, with zero shade and air thick as soup from volcanic vents belching hydrogen sulfide and chlorine gas. Sulfuric acid lakes bubble like witch's brew, corroding gear in hours. Salt flats crack underfoot, hiding sinkholes that drop you 30 feet into boiling brine. The Afar people endure it, mining salt with camel caravans, but outsiders. Hallucinations from toxic fumes have driven teams mad. One explorer described it as the devil's sauna, beautiful in its brutality, but cross it unprepared, and you're a statistic in this gateway to the underworld. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. Number 9. The Great Blue Hole, Belize. A diver's dream turned nightmare. This 1,000-foot wide sinkhole plunges 410 feet deep, a flooded cave from the Ice Age with overhangs like jagged fangs. Nitrogen narcosis hits fast below 100 feet, turning bold explorers into disoriented ghosts. Razor-sharp stalactites shred suits, while whirlpool currents pin you against walls. Over 20 divers lost since the 70s, bodies never recovered, pulled into hidden chambers. Jacques Cousteau called it otherworldly, but locals whisper it's the sea's pupil, watching for mistakes. Thrilling? Yes. Tomb? Absolutely. Nyiragongo Volcano, DR Congo, number 8. Nyiragongo Volcano, Democratic Republic of Congo, Africa's restless giant. At 11,385 feet, its summit cradles the world's largest lava lake, a 650-foot wide cauldron churning at 3,600 degrees. Fumes choke the air with sulfur rain. One whiff and your lungs burn like lit coals. In 2002 it blew. Rivers of molten rock raced 12 miles to Goma at 60 Mara, killing 147 and displacing 400,000. Cracks spiderweb the flanks today, whispering of the next surge. Trekkers summit for the view, but slips mean instant vaporization. It's not erupting yet. When it does, no one's ready. Rongbuk Glacier, Tibet. Number 7. Rongbuk Glacier, Tibet. The icy gauntlet to Everest. This 15-mile tongue of blue ice at 16,000 feet howls with 100 mph katabatic winds, dropping temps to 40 degrees. Hidden crevasses, some 1,000 feet deep, lurk under snow bridges that snap like glass. Altitude sickness hits like a hammer. Oxygen's just 40% of sea level. Dozens vanish yearly on the North Face route, bodies mummified in eternal freeze frames of agony. George Mallory's 1924 corpse lay here for decades, leather boots cracked but preserved. Beauty? Undeniable. But one false step and you're glacier fodder for centuries. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Number 6. Lake Natron, Tanzania, nature's calcifying curse. This soda lake glows crimson from salt-loving algae, hitting 140 degrees with pH 10.5, stronger than ammonia. Touch the water? Alkaline burn melts flesh to bone in hours. Birds misjudging flights crash in, emerging as ghostly calcified husks, wings splayed in silent screams. Thousands of lesser flamingos breed here yearly, evolved for the hell, but intruders? A 2015 safari guide slipped in, his legs scarred white forever. Legends call it a demon's mirror reflecting your end. Stunning from afar, suicidal up close. McMurdo, Dry Valleys, Antarctica. Number 5. McMurdo Dry Valleys, Antarctica, the Dead Zone. Spanning 1,850 square miles, it's Earth's driest spot. No rain in 2 million years. Winds scouring at 200 mph like planetary sandblasters. Temps plummet to 120 UV radiation fries expose skin in minutes. No plants, insects or bacteria, just sterile silence broken by cracking ice. NASA trains here for Mars. Astronauts in suits mimic the isolation, where a suit breach means flash freeze death. One 2013 expedition lost a researcher to hypothermia in hours. It's not hostile, it's indifferent. A preview of Alien Worlds, or our endgame. Shark Alley, South Africa, number 4. Shark Alley, South Africa, Predator Central. This 300-foot wide channel between islands swarms with 200-plus great whites during seal season, waters just 30 feet deep. They rocket up at 25 mph, shattering surfaces like torpedoes. Cage diving's a rush, but breaches have snapped lines. 2 attacks in 2017 alone, one fatal when a diver drifted out. Seals aren't the only targets. Currents drag you into strike zones. Ecotourism booms here, but rangers warn, you're bait in a blender. Raw power up close until it turns on you. The Sundarbans, Bangladesh, India. Number 3. The Sundarbans, Bengal's man-eater maze. This 4,000 square mile delta hides 100-plus tigers that swim miles for kills, dragging 50-plus villages yearly into the drink. Saltese crocs lurk in tidal creeks, king cobras coil in roots, malaria mosquitoes buzz death. Cyclones like 2020's Amphan drown hundreds in 20-foot walls of water. Honey collectors wear face masks backward to fool stalking cats. Doesn't always work. One 2019 attack left a man half-eaten. It's UNESCO beauty, but step off the path and the wild reclaims you as supper. Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone, USA. Number 2. Grand Prismatic Spring, Yellowstone, beauty that boils. North America's biggest hot spring spans 370 feet, steaming at 199 degrees from Yellowstone's supervolcano guts. Extremophile microbes paint its rainbow, but slip on the slick boardwalk. You cook alive, bodies dissolve in 2 days, bones gone. Since 1870, 22 deaths, a 2016 toddler plucked from the edge, scarred for life. Tourists selfie too close, ignoring crusts that hide 160-degree mud. It's Instagram gold, until the colors claim a canvas of flesh. The Bermuda Triangle, Atlantic Ocean. Number 1. The Bermuda Triangle, ocean's eternal enigma. Stretching 500,000 square miles from Florida to Bermuda to Puerto Rico, this Devil's Triangle has swallowed 50-plus ships and 20 planes since 1800, vanishing without SOS, over 1,000 souls gone. Flight 19's 1945 torpedo bombers circled into oblivion. Everything's wrong, strange. The ocean looks wrong. USS Cyclops, a 542-foot collier, crew of 306, poof, 1980. Theories? Methane eruptions, bubbling ships under, rogue waves cresting 100 feet, magnetic anomalies scrambling compasses. No wreckage, no debris, just silence. Divers probe today, but sonar glitches and fog walls push back. It's not one hazard, it's the unknown haunting sailors for centuries. Beauty in its mystery, terror in the void. The triangle isn't a place, it's a question. What else lurks? There you have it, the 10 deadliest natural wonders where awe meets annihilation. Which one's calling your inner explorer or keeping you home? Drop your thoughts below. Ever visited a death trap? Like if nature scares you, subscribe for more wild rides and hit notifications. We're exploring haunted histories next. Stay curious, stay safe. See you in the shadows.